Are those your new pair of tights? Lucy, where'd she go? Lucy, where's Sophia? I think Sophia is putting her tights through the paces. Where's Sophia? Sophia! There she is. Are you gonna sit down and show us them? Those are some stylish tights there you got, girl. Do you like them?